Come on, inside. You wanna come in?
Hva? Hva det var til? Takk.
I'll fucking... I'm just gonna fucking fight, yeah. Fuck off. This bitch thinks she's gonna go out. Look at her. Oh yeah, you gonna go outside? Okay, let me turn the light on. You ready to go out? Ready to go outside? Oh wow. Nope, that's a big fuck no, wasn't it? Didn't think so.
У нас есть дефреш. Мы можем ездить.
Собака.
А, блядь, сука!
I'm feeling so good today. Oh, I still feel good.
She's a dick.
Yo, look at this dog, y'all. Watch, make him do it again.
Good boy. Sit. Okay. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Okay. Ready? Fart.
Se ha rebalado.
You are a nut. Yo, come here. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, baby. Oh my goodness gracious. What? You're gonna break the house. Bailey. Bailey.
Blue!
This is my new carpet. It's new! Come on, man! No!
Oh my goodness! Hi! Yeah, okay! I'll let him... Did you get it?
Bruh. Who leg you done took, bro? Oh my goodness. What? Oh my goodness.
I don't even have to spray it and already look at her. Now watch. Like, why? Why does she act like that? She's not.
Almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it. Almost got it.
I swear by the moon and in the I'll be there. Or worse.
Just watch.
Bruh. What the?
POV, your horse is broken.
Did you just try to eat me? Oh, you really did. Mom, you can't eat me. I said no eating me.
Bro! Oh! Does anybody see it?
Hey. Here. You okay?
What do you think you're doing? Oh, really? Really, bro?
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Goodbye.
Want to be a part of my family, get to know them, and really accept them for who they are and accept them.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
Gates open. Woo!
That's what you get.
This looks like a comfy spot.
Nam. Ej, ciochi. 我们应该往那家吃。Nam. Nam, I have to come back for you.